Do you want to know how to start a blog that makes $130,000 a month? Well, you've come to the right place. Blogs are powerful platforms, and with the right strategy, they can be incredibly lucrative. Stay tuned if you're ready to delve into the world of blogging and potentially earn $130,000 a month. Starting a blog involves several key steps. First, you need to choose a niche. It's important to select something you're passionate about, as this passion will shine through in your content and engage your readers. Next, you need to set up your blog. This involves choosing a blogging platform, getting your domain name, and designing your blog. Your blog's design should reflect your niche and be appealing to your target audience. Once your blog is set up, it's time to create valuable content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and tailored to your audience's interests. Remember, quality is more important than quantity. Finally, you need to promote your blog. You can do this through social media, email marketing, SEO, and collaborations with other bloggers. Promotion is key to growing your audience and increasing your blog's visibility. Remember, every step is crucial in building a blog that can earn as much as $130,000 a month. Consistency and quality are the keys to a successful blog. Imagine your blog as a TV show. Your readers, like viewers, crave regularity and excellence. Consistently posting high-quality content not only keeps them hooked, but it also boosts your blog's visibility in the vast digital landscape. More visibility means more readers, and more readers translate to increased earnings. Remember, in the blogging world, quality is king and consistency is queen. With consistency and quality, your blog can be a powerful money-making tool. Are you excited to start your blogging journey and potentially earn $130,000 a month? Join our community by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. Stay tuned for our exciting giveaway. Don't forget to watch our next video on top businesses to kickstart for 2024. Remember, your blogging journey starts now.